Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out almost all of the official cases for the OnePlus 6T made by OnePlus, as well as 4 cases that were made for the 6T by Tudia. These cases will look really good and will make sure that your device is protected. I'll give you guys some more information in the description below, but let's go ahead and check out the video. And if you'd like to be able to get $20 off your next order from OnePlus, please check out that link in the description as well. This is TK. Let's go ahead and see how these cases look on our phone. So we're going to be checking out some cases for our brand new OnePlus 6T. I have 3 cases from Tudia and I have 6 cases from OnePlus. Now this one, by the way, is the one that comes with your phone. These additional ones you're able to pick up directly from OnePlus's website, as well as these 3 cases will be available on Amazon. So first we're going to start off is with the cases that kind of pretty much just comes with the phone. This is your basic TPU case. It's see-through, simple, very easy, very simple to install. Just go 1, 2, 3. And you have access to your phone. You can obviously see the color. This is almost kind of a smoky case. You can see the OnePlus logo right there. Hopefully you can see it right there. It's not as very visible, but gives you the grippiness that you want, the coverage for everything, the exposure for the notification slider, as well as the ports and everything around the phone. It also does have some raised lips there, so when you actually put the phone down on the table, you're protecting the device and the display. Now you may have noticed that I don't have the screen protector on this phone. We're going to go ahead and take this one off. And that's because the built-in one, or the one that came with the phone, unfortunately kind of peeled off in my pocket. The other thing is, since we don't have an official glass protector directly from OnePlus, I currently don't have a screen protector on my phone, and I'm waiting as soon as they release a new one, we'll be making a video for you guys covering that new phone. The other 2 cases, I'm going to start off right there. Here, this one is very, very nice. It's the textured one in the back. I showed you guys this one with the unboxing. Very nice, very gripping in the back. You have the OnePlus logo embroidered right there on the actual case. It raises the actual coverage here for the camera. Here the notification slider is open, as well as the buttons on the side, of course, raised for the display as usual, and of course all the areas in the back. Unfortunately, no wireless charging. That's one thing that we didn't have, and otherwise I would have just basically showed that to you guys here. Next, we have this case. This is the red one. Looks extremely well. The black on red here looks really, really nice. Now this one covers the top, but exposes the bottom, where it's very different right here. With this one, you notice this one covers the top and the bottom. Overall, it's very nice. It has that nice soft rubber feeling. The OnePlus logo in red embroidered here, so it's a little bit indented. You can see it. Hopefully you guys, it's hard to see. It's right there. But it looks very nice. And of course, the raised top and bottom here for the display for the glass looks very nice. And of course, access to the slider on this side. I'll make sure to give you guys a link to all of these cases directly on the OnePlus's site. Now we're going to start looking at some of these new cases that I picked up that came in my second batch. Now there is this one, which is basically the carbon fiber one. This is very similar to the Sandstone one. Now they have one that's Sandstone, and that's the one I showed you guys. I had this one on the phone, and then of course they have the carbon fiber one. Both have very nice textured configuration. They're both minimalistic for the most part. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. And as you can see, they both look pretty much the same. They have the exact same coverage. This is just the carbon fiber over the Sandstone. The Sandstone obviously being the traditional material they used back on the original OnePlus, and they've always had a Sandstone case ever since. Both look very nice, very minimalistic. Open at the top, open at the bottom, as well as on the side here with the rocker. The camera does have some protection, although not as deep. And of course, as far as the screen protection, there is a little bit of a lip here. Hopefully you guys could see that. That will protect your phone if you're putting it down. Very minimal, very minimalistic, and it does not add any bulk to your phone. And you'll get the exact same experience with the Sandstone one. Again, just different material, same form factor. This one is the last one. This is the wallet style. This is what it called the flip cover black. This one definitely has a very unique look to it. When I saw this, I really felt like this would basically just elevate how the phone looks like. Now, of course, the phone looks really, really good. This will work with both the, obviously both models, the mirror black and the midnight black. Fits very nicely, clips the phone directly. It closes very, very thin, very nice. There is an opening for the earpiece here, since the earpiece is sitting right there all the way at the top, and you'll be able to receive calls without having to open it. Now, the volume rocker is sitting inside. You can feel it, you can click it. You have the power button here, as well as the notification slider. Everything is open at the bottom, everything is open at the top, no obstructions, as well as a raised lip for the camera, and of course, very good protection on the phone. Now it's not magnetic, but definitely feels very good, and there is one pocket here for probably a credit card or an ID if you'd like to have it there, if you're going to use Google Pay to be able to use that as your wallet. Now let's look over real quick on the Tudia ones. There's two different cases here. Both of these are the merge cases. Here it is, the first one, and this one is the dual tone color with a silver backing. It is, well, I thought it was going to be two pieces, but it looks like it's one. Of course, merge designed in the US. Now this one feels a little bit more thicker than some of the cases that we got directly from OnePlus. The protection here is very nice. We have the Tudia logo, a little bit of a grip on the side here, power button as well as the volume rocker are covered, although the slider is not. A microphone opening at the top. At the bottom we have an opening for both the speaker, the microphone, as well as the USB-C port. Looks very nice. Again, this comes in two different colors. There's the silver one as well as the all black one. Looks very nice and it fits really good. Although I mentioned it's one piece, there's actually two pieces, but they're very nicely fit together. And it will really definitely look really nice on your device. The last cases that we have here are both Arch S. There's one that's see-through and then there's the blue one. This one is a fully one piece. Inserting your phone is pretty simple. The grip material is very nice and grippy. It's smooth in the back. Raised coverage for the camera, speakerphone, well, the microphone and the speaker, as well as USB-C opening and the slider. Definitely very nice. I hope that we'll be able to see a blue color of this device, but otherwise, this looks pretty good. I hope you were able to find something in here that you like. Of course, the carbon fiber and the Sandstone are going to be the thinnest cases. They're very low profile. And of course, we go into the folio one that opens up kind of like a wallet style. It looks really good. We have the ruggedized version, of course, as well as, of course, the Tudia ones that we had with the Merge and the Arch S. A lot of selections, of course. Links in the description as usual. Thank you very much for the support. And if you want to be able to pick up that $20 discount that I mentioned to you guys at the beginning of the video, make sure to check that first link in the description below. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.